Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your SONOS Era 100 speaker. So this process will also turns the setup mode on your speaker, so it will be useful for you if you, for example, cannot pair the speaker with your phone or when you have any connection issues. So what do we have to do? First of all, we have to find the Bluetooth button. It's actually located on the back, right here above the microphone icon. And at this time, we have to just unplug this power cable. So let's try to do this gently, but it's not that easy, so give me some time. Okay, I did it, but it was actually really hard. And in this time we have to click and hold this Bluetooth button and keep holding. Next we have to plug it back, and we have to keep holding this Bluetooth button until this indicator on the front, this one above this Sonos marking, turns red. There we go. Right now we can release that button, and now we have to wait until this indicator turns green. Right now it will be definitely like more visible to you. There we go. And right now the reset is complete, and we move this speaker to this setup mode, and right now we can just set it up for the second time with any device that you want. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.